With the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra just released earlier last month, it may seem early to already be looking ahead to next year's model. But the lightning-fast iterative cycle of tech means rumors and reports on the Galaxy S25 Ultra are already swirling. While the S24 Ultra brings impressive refinements like boosted AI capabilities, a refined design, and upgraded camera hardware, there's always room for improvement. Here's what we hope to see in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch in early 2025. Samsung's premium smartphone design language has remained relatively consistent since the recognizable contour-cut camera block first debuted on the Galaxy S21 series in 2021. Aside from gradual size increases over the generations, the core look and feel carry forward year to year. We would love to see Samsung finally shake things up in 2025 with a fresh new style for the S25 Ultra. A nearly bezel-less, port-less exterior would help modernize the aesthetics to match the bleeding-edge internals. This could mean bringing back the IP68 water resistance lost after the S20 generation without needing physical port cutouts. And with under-display selfie cameras steadily improving on Chinese brands, the Galaxy S25 Ultra would be the perfect flagship showcase to finally adopt this long-rumored tech. We'd also love to see a return to the maxed-out 16GB LPDDR5X RAM option not seen since the S21 Ultra days. While not mass-market necessary, it allows the Galaxy line to reclaim bragging rights for pushing boundaries. Paired with the latest enthusiast-class mobile processor, peak multitasking fluidity and future-proofing get taken to the max. Lastly, the most wanted upgrade for many remains a more palatable price. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's sticker shock starts at $1,299, rising quickly for more storage. With foldables stealing attention on the premium tier, perhaps Samsung can rein in costs for the S25 Ultra just enough to return nearer to the $1,199 mark, making it more attractive versus rivals without outright compromising quality given economies of scale. We believe hitting that next pricing threshold psychological benchmark while retaining all the signature pro-grade Galaxy offerings would give the S25 Ultra heavy mainstream appeal. With expected improvements across the board like displays, battery efficiency, charging speeds and cameras naturally coming each year, focusing on fresh style, smoothness, and value may help the Galaxy S25 Ultra finally achieve the ultimate balance of form, function and cost. But we'll have to hold tight for more leaks to see precisely what direction Samsung takes its flagship lines down, as confidence in past rumors hasn't always panned out this early. Regardless, it's undoubtedly set to be another industry-leading packaged bundle balancing intuitive style with maximal productivity and creativity when the Galaxy S25 Ultra launches sometime in Q1 2025. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.